Hey there, have you ever wondered what you would do if you lost your job or faced an unexpected expense? What about what would happen to your loved ones if something were to happen to you? And have you ever thought about how you would pay for medical expenses in case of an unexpected illness or injury? Well, I'm going to tell you about 3 things that can help give you peace of mind in these situations. Number 1, having an emergency fund. Number 2, buying a term insurance. And number 3, a medical insurance. In this video, you'll get to know why these 3 things are important in life and how they can help you financially prepare for unexpected events and give you some practical tips for getting started. Do watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out the important points. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how you can take control of your financial future. If you like the content, then press the like button and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's first understand how much you need to save in an emergency fund. The general rule of thumb is to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. However, the exact amount you need to save can vary depending on your individual circumstances. Factors such as your job stability, the number of dependents you have, and your monthly expenses can all impact how much you need to save. For example, if you have a stable job and low monthly expenses, you may be able to get by with a smaller emergency fund. On the other hand, if you have multiple dependents and high monthly expenses, you may want to aim for a larger emergency fund. Ultimately, the goal of an emergency fund is to provide a safety net that can help you weather unexpected financial emergencies without having to dip into long-term savings or take on debt. So, the more you save, the more peace of mind you'll have in case of an emergency. Saving money can give you greater financial freedom and flexibility. Having a healthy savings account can provide a sense of security and peace of mind, and can give you more control over your financial situation. For example, you may be able to take advantage of new opportunities or make big life changes, like taking a sabbatical or changing careers, without having to worry about money. Let's now understand the importance of having an emergency fund. Emergency fund provide you financial security. An emergency fund provides a safety net that can help you weather unexpected financial emergencies such as job loss, medical bills, car repairs, or home repairs. It can help you avoid taking on debt or dipping into your long-term savings to cover these unexpected expenses. Emergency fund provides peace of mind. Knowing that you have an emergency fund in place can provide peace of mind, as you'll have a plan in case of financial emergencies. You'll be able to focus on solving the problem at hand instead of worrying about how to pay for it. Emergency fund gives you flexibility. An emergency fund gives you the flexibility to handle unexpected expenses without disrupting your long-term financial plans. You won't have to sacrifice your savings goals or take on debt to pay for unexpected expenses. Emergency fund helps you avoid high-interest debt. Without an emergency fund, you may be forced to rely on credit cards or high-interest loans to cover unexpected expenses, which can lead to a cycle of debt that's difficult to break. An emergency fund can help you avoid this scenario. Now let's understand why you need a term insurance. Term insurance is a type of life insurance policy that provides coverage for a specified term, typically ranging from 5 to 50 years. If the insured person passes away during the term of the policy, the death benefit is paid out to the beneficiaries named in the policy. It is important to have a term insurance to provide financial protection to your loved ones during specific periods in their lives. Let's understand why it is important to have a term insurance. It provides financial protection for dependents. If you have dependents, such as children or a spouse who rely on your income, a term insurance policy can provide financial protection for them in the event of your untimely death. The death benefit from the policy can help cover living expenses, pay off debts, and provide a source of income for your loved ones. Premiums on term insurance are affordable. Term insurance policies typically have lower premiums than other types of life insurance policies, such as whole life or universal life insurance. This makes it an affordable option for those who want to provide financial protection for their loved ones without breaking the bank. Term insurance are flexible. Term insurance policies offer flexibility in terms of coverage and length of the policy. You can choose the coverage amount and length of the policy that best suits your needs and budget. It provides peace of mind, one of the very important points of buying a term insurance and having peace of mind. Knowing that your loved ones will be financially protected in the event of your death can provide peace of mind. With a term insurance policy in place, you can rest assured that your family will be taken care of, even if you're no longer there to provide for them. Overall, a term insurance policy can be a valuable tool in providing financial protection for your loved ones in the event of your untimely death. It's important to assess your individual needs and consult with a professional to determine if a term insurance policy is right for you. Now let's understand why one needs a medical insurance. Medical insurance, also known as health insurance, is a type of insurance that covers the cost of medical and surgical expenses for the insured person. Medical insurance policies can be purchased by individuals or provided by employers as part of a benefits package. Medical insurance policies vary widely in terms of coverage and benefits. Some policies provide coverage for basic medical services such as doctor's visits and prescription drugs, while others may also cover more extensive services such as hospital stays, surgery, and specialized treatments. Let's understand why it is important to have a medical insurance. Medical insurance provides financial protection. Medical expenses can be costly, and a medical insurance policy can help protect you from financial hardship in the event of an unexpected illness or injury. With a medical insurance policy, you can receive coverage for medical expenses such as hospitalization, surgeries, doctor visits, prescription drugs, and more. Medical insurance provides access to quality healthcare. With a medical insurance policy, you can have access to quality healthcare services without worrying about the cost. You can choose from a network of healthcare providers who are part of your insurance plan, which can ensure that you receive timely and appropriate care when you need it. Medical insurance gives you peace of mind. Having a medical insurance policy can provide peace of mind, knowing that you are covered in the event of an unexpected illness or injury. You can focus on your recovery without worrying about the financial burden of medical expenses. Last but not the least, a medical insurance comes with tax benefits. In some countries, medical insurance premiums are tax deductible, which can help lower your taxable income and reduce your tax burden. Overall, a medical insurance policy can be a valuable tool in protecting your health and financial well-being. It's important to assess your individual needs and consult with a professional to determine the best medical insurance policy for you. To conclude, by taking the time to establish an emergency fund, purchase term insurance, and a medical insurance policy that meets your individual needs, you can help protect yourself and your family from financial hardships and ensure that you have the resources you need to thrive. This brings us to the end of the video. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video and do subscribe to get a notification for upcoming videos. Goodbye and have a nice day.